What if your couch time after work was making you $20 an hour and it cost you nothing to start? Most people think this is hard. It's not. I went through hundreds of Reddit threads, freelancer reports, and real earning data so you don't have to. And the last one is happening on your screen right now, and you are still not getting paid for it. I call this the after horse stack. Let's go. Right now, every single day, FedEx and UPS are delivering packages late. And when that happens, they owe the seller money back. That guarantee is written inside every single carrier contract in America. But wait, here is the part nobody is talking about. Over 90% of those refunds are never claimed. Not because the money does not exist, but because sellers are too busy running their store to chase every single late package. And you are probably thinking, okay, so someone files a claim. Big deal. Chuckle, no. Stop. You are thinking about this wrong. We are not talking about $5 here and there. A small Amazon seller shipping 500 packages a month could have 40 late deliveries sitting unclaimed. Every single one qualifies for a refund. Gasp, that money is just sitting there, invisible, waiting for someone to show up and collect it. That someone is you. You keep 30 to 50% of everything you recover. The seller pays you nothing up front. Zero risk for them. Excited real money for you. Now here's where it gets really interesting, and this is the part most people do not expect. You do not need to be a shipping expert. In 2026, free tools scan every tracking number automatically and flag the late ones for you. The software does 80% of the work. You just verify and file the claim. Seriously, that is the job. But before you start, one mistake almost every beginner makes. They go after big companies first. Big companies already have internal audit teams. They do not need you. Target mid-sized sellers shipping 100 to 1,000 packages a month. That is your sweet spot. And your entire setup is 3 free tools. Refund Retriever for scanning late shipments. 17 Track for checking tracking statuses. Google Sheets for organizing everything. That is it. To start today, find 3 small Shopify or Amazon sellers. Send them one message. Tell them you will audit their last 30 days for free. If you find nothing, they pay $0. If you find refunds, you split it. No car, no tools to buy, no experience. Just your laptop after work. Hustle number 2 made hustle number 1 look complicated. Keep watching. Most YouTube channels give you recycled information that wastes your time. This channel runs real research on every single video. Hit subscribe. You will not regret it. Most people hear the word proofreading and think, that is dead. AI killed that. ChatGPT does that for free now, and honestly, chuckle, that is exactly what I thought too. But wait, I was completely wrong, and so are you. Here is what is actually happening right now in 2026. Because of AI, businesses are publishing more content than ever before. Blog posts, emails, product pages, social media, all of it written by AI in seconds. Thousands of words every single day. And here is the problem nobody is talking about. AI writes fast, but AI makes mistakes that sound completely correct. Wrong facts, robotic sentences, brand names spelled wrong, prices that do not match. A human eye catches all of that in minutes. So AI did not kill proofreading. AI created more proofreading work than ever before in history. And you are probably thinking, okay, but companies use Grammarly. They do not need me. Stop. Grammarly catches spelling. It does not catch logic. It does not catch tone. It does not catch when a price on a sales page is wrong and costing the business thousands of dollars every single day. That is what you get paid for. And here is the part that actually surprised me. The highest paying proofreading niche in 2026 is not novels. It is not blog posts. It is legal transcripts. Court reporters use speech-to-text software to record everything said in a courtroom. That software makes mistakes constantly. They hire freelancers to clean it up before it becomes an official legal record. Tori Gelino started doing exactly this, and now makes $1,200 a month working part-time from home. But here is the mistake that will kill your progress before it even starts. Most beginners proofread everything. Blog posts, novels, student essays, all of it. Wrong. Pick one niche and stick to it. A proofreader who specializes in legal transcripts or AI content gets paid 3 times more than someone who does everything. Niche down fast. And your full setup is 3 free tools. Grammarly free tier for a first pass scan. Google Docs with track changes for showing clients exactly what you fixed. Hemingway app for checking if the right writing reads too complex. That is everything. So how do you start from zero? Proofread anything. Blog posts, Reddit threads, LinkedIn posts. Find the mistakes. Save before and after screenshots. That is your portfolio. Go to Upwork or Fiverr. Create a free profile. Offer your first 3 gigs at a low rate just to get reviews.
Raise your rate.
Exciting. Target businesses publishing AI content. Your pitch is simple. Tell them AI wrote it, but a human needs to verify it before it costs them money. No car, no degree, no tools to buy. Just your laptop after work. In the description below, you will find all 3 hustles, complete 7-day roadmaps to start today. And now, hustle number 3. This one is going to feel personal. Keep watching. Remember in the beginning of this video I told you that the last one is happening on your screen almost every time and you are still not getting paid for it. This is that one. But wait, before you click off, because I know what you are thinking. You are thinking AI does captions automatically now. YouTube does it for free. TikTok does it for free. Nobody needs to pay a human for this anymore. And that is exactly what 99% of people believe, which is exactly why this opportunity is still wide open. Here is the truth. AI captions are a disaster. Wrong names, wrong brands, wrong technical words, sentences that appear too fast to read, sentences that make no sense at all. I have seen AI caption the word marketing as marking. I have seen it turn a person's name into a random word completely. For a regular person watching Netflix, that is funny. For a business running ads, or a creator trying to grow, that is money walking out the door. And here is the part that actually broke my brain. 7% of Americans use captions at least sometimes. Nearly half use them always, even when they can hear perfectly fine. So why are they using captions if they can hear? Because they are watching on mute, at work, on the bus, in bed at midnight. People scroll social media on mute first. Captions decide whether they keep watching or keep scrolling. So when a creator hires you, they are not paying you to type words. Excited, they are paying you to stop their viewers from scrolling away. And now here is the part nobody is talking about. Right now in 2026, only 28% of TV and online ads in America have captions. 28%. Gasp, that means 72% of all ads are missing captions completely. Legally, businesses are supposed to have them. Most do not know how. That is a $1 billion gap that almost nobody is filling right now. But here is the mistake that will waste your first 2 weeks. Most beginners message huge YouTubers with millions of subscribers. Wrong move. Those creators already have full editing teams. Go after creators with 10,000 to 100,000 followers who post regularly but have no captions at all. They need you and they can actually afford you. And your entire setup is 2 free tools. CapCut for auto-generating captions in 2 minutes. Subtitle Edit for fine-tuning timing and fixing errors. That is everything you need to start today. So how do you start from zero? Day 1. Download CapCut. It is completely free. Open any video. Go to text. Click Auto Captions. Watch it generate the full caption in about 2 minutes. That is the AI doing 80% of the work for you. Your job is the remaining 20%. Fix the wrong words. Fix the timing. Make sure every sentence is easy to read. That is the whole job. Day 2, caption 3 short videos. Any videos, YouTube videos, TikTok videos. Save them. That is your portfolio. Go to Instagram. Find creators with 10,000 to 100,000 followers who post regularly but have no captions or bad captions. Send them one message. Tell them you will caption one video for free. If they like it, you charge $15 to $30 per video. One creator posting 30 videos a month is $900. From captions. After work. On your couch. No car. No tools to buy, no experience, just your laptop and 30 minutes a night. And here's the wildest part. The bigger YouTube and TikTok get, the more valuable this hustle becomes. Every single day more videos get uploaded. Every single one needs captions. This market is not shrinking. It is exploding. You now know what 99% of people scrolling right now do not. The carrier blind spot, the invisible editor, the silent gold mine. But knowing is not the same as doing. The people already making money from these did one thing different. They picked one and started that same night. And if you want to start a boring hustle, watch this video.